Hi guys, you're welcome to my channel once again. This is iTech, and today I have for you, I'm going to show you a certain app which serves as a touch, and at the same time you can use it to hide your important items like your pictures, your videos, and so on. So this is the app that I'm talking about. Now the name of the app is this one, Volt Touch. So as you can see, this is the app, Volt Touch. I have already downloaded the app. As you can see, this app has got 1 million downloads, so a lot of people are using this app. So all what you have to do is that just go to Play Store and search Volt Touch. Okay, all right. So I have the app here. So all what you need after downloading the app, you just have to open it like this. Now on your first time, you'll be asked to set your password, your email will be required, and then you will sign into the app. Okay, so after you have done that, this is what you're going to see. This is the touch part of the app. Okay, this app serves two purposes. It serves as a touch, so when you place here, yes, you see, yes, this is the touch part. You can use it as a touch, and here you just tap here also to hide your item. So let me take you through the app. So you have here, you just tap and hold on this. So as you can see, it says don't enter your password. As you can see, I've already installed this app, sign in, so I'll just enter my password and it has opened. Now this is how the app looks like. Okay, so we have your image here, we have audio, we share, we have videos, we have notes. Okay, so here then we have settings here. So let's go to settings. Here it says that what setting do you want? Finger lock, you can set to finger lock. Then password, you can also change your password, fake password. Okay, so a whole lot of settings that you can do here. Okay, now after doing all these settings, just come to images. So you just click on this plus sign here. Okay, if you want to hide any image, that just click here and then type the name of the image. So okay, this one, so you just clear and type anything here, then you create the image. All right, now what image you want to create, so you just come and upload the images into it. So you just have to come here, the plus sign. So the images that you want to hide, you just come and select your image. You click here. Okay, 33 images, I think it's too much for me. You do some, so you just tap here and just select. Okay, okay, just one. Okay, and as you can see, this has been added to it. So you just go back. So if you want to write anything or you want to edit it, you can do it here. Okay, so no edit, so just go back, okay, so as you can see, this is the image that I've added. So if you want to add videos, the same thing, you just come to video. Okay, you enter this plus sign, you edit, you give the title. Okay, so video you create, you tap here and it will take you to your videos. Okay, so these are all my videos. So which of the video that you want to add, so the video that you want to add, you just tap on the video. Okay, and then you tap on this lock sign, meaning you have locked the video. As you can see, this is the video that I just added. Okay, then you just go back. So anything that you want to add, audio, then notes here, you can also write something and hide it here. You can write anything, then you hide it here. So guys, at this point, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel, like, comment. I'll reply all your comments. If you have any questions, you can ask. So this is how you can use VAT Touch or Touch VAT, an app which serves as a touch and a place where you can also save your videos, your audios, your documents, and then everything that you want to save. Okay guys, so after that you just go back, then you are done with it. So anytime you want to go to search videos, you tap here, okay, and then you'll be asked to enter your password. With this password, it is saved and your videos are saved, your images are saved. No one will be able to see your hidden videos and images. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video. See you next time with a different trick. Bye bye.